ever since the increased engagement on my birthday a couple of weeks ago, Instagram has essentially soft blocked me from accessing my main Ethereal Artist account. Doesn't matter what device I try or network or Wi-Fi, it just grinds and grinds like this and won't let me go through the advanced protection steps. I don't want to lose touch with the disability community and the abolitionist communities I've become friends with on here, so please DM me, share. We're still homeless and need help, and just please help spread the word. It's our only way of fundraising and keeping in contact with you guys.